Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2015 Subaru Impreza all-wheel drive. Now the exterior color is a white, and under the hood we have an inline 4 2-liter engine paired to an automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our halogen high and low beam headlights as well as a pair of fog lamps. Over at the side we have our 17-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our Yokohama tires, as well as we have our color matched mirror caps and white and chrome door handles. We also have our OEM sunroof on top. At the rear we have a reverse camera, as well as our Subaru all-wheel drive and Impreza badging. And at the rear hatch we have an embedded defroster with our wiper blade attached. At our interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage with power windows, power locks, and power adjustable mirrors. Over at our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, as well as our traction control off switch, as well as we have our cruise control settings, our hands-free calling, as well as our information trackpad. We also have our cruise control settings, as well as our paddle shifters on the left and right side. And as we look up, we rearview mirror with our cabin lights, as well as we have our OEM sunroof. And as we look at our interior, we have a beautiful black leather, which comes with a manual adjustable seat for both driver and passenger. And now as we look ahead, you'll notice we have 46,092 kilometers on our 2015 Subaru Impreza. And over at our touchscreen display, we have our navigation, audio control, phone connectivity, and other apps, as well as you can watch the display of our reverse camera. And underneath we have our climate control area, as well as we have our console shift lever with our manual select option, which will engage our paddle shifters, as well as we have our electrical parking brake with our dual cup holders, as well as our dual heated seats for both driver and passenger, and our center console for storage underneath. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy door storage with power windows, as well as more storage in the rear of the passenger seat. And then at the rear we have our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, which leaves us with loads of legroom and tons of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this absolutely gorgeous Subaru Impreza, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.